name is Charles Tan. I'm from Western Australia in a town called York. I'll be growing sweet potatoes on the vertical structure, of which case I have a patent on it. It will be established on the 5 hectares land behind here. And at first it will be 5 meters, providing fuel and food, and at the same time addressing climate change. But the structure will continue to go up to about 50 to 75 meters, almost the same height as the highest part of the hill. And at that point of time, it should reach a perpetual state, a biological perpetual state. You should provide limitless amount of food, fuel, at the same time, it will reverse climate change. Support me. Thank you.
Hi. Essentially, what is my thinking? We grow sweet potato and we have to chew on it to produce electricity. And at the same time, the sweet potato can derive ethanol. The end result through a biodigester, a coal model, it will produce enough carbon fiber in large quantities that we can hopefully replace plastics. And to a certain extent, utensils, furnitures, and certain part of the buildings can be used through carbon fiber. The use of the sweet potato, the good part is that it can help to absorb carbon dioxide, mitigating climate change. And if we do it fast enough, we could possibly avoid ice age. This is my patent. It has, the parts are shown. The sweet potato are just placed inside the covers and mulch. Then it just stack on top. This is the vertical structure. You can, through a few means, know whether is it time to harvest. The international patent, Australia, I have already applied for it. It includes 46 pages, 39 claims, of which case all the 39 claims has gone unchallenged. So what this actually means is that the whole idea is intact. Ultimately, what I have achieved is the arrangement of the structure, as you can show here. This is the maximum yield you can get on it on the ground, maximizing the sunlight and also per land the yield. What we can do with this structure, not only just grow sweet potato, but a varied range of crops, like even grains on the top, sweet potato at the bottom. And once the irrigation has gone through, you collect the water and put it back again. The surprising thing about sweet potato is that it can nutrify the water. Once the water go through it, it nutrify it, and once you put it back, it will provide the necessary nutrients for other crops as well. Of course, the problem here is how fast can we do it? The limitation is actually on the seedings. So I will have to grow sweet potato on the drums, and that will have to seed onto a 15 acres land. It will take about a year for it to produce enough to seed again into the 5 hectares land, and it will take about 2 to 3 years for it to be established. And so the rule of the thumb is that every land size you can multiply 3 times. So after you multiply 3 times, you can multiply 3 times again. So it goes exponentially. We will have, if we quit doing it right now, every country will have about 3 million acres of land by 2035. If we do it, and we have to continue doing it, and that can mitigate sea level rise. And if we put it appropriately in the ocean, we can offset the pressure system. I thank you very much for your time. Please support me for this cause towards climate change. Thank you.